Hi everyone, I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Guys, this video quick tips for student during the test and practice as well as you drive after getting a driver license. Guys, you must improve your skills during practice in order to improve your driving skills in future inshallah. During the driving test period, the examiner observation focusing on the student driving skills. During your driving test, the student hold the steering wheel in this way. Okay. Would the examiner fail you? The answer is yes. Most students make this mistake during the exam, maybe also during the practice. During the driving test, if the examiner notice and you are holding the steering wheel on the wrong way, yes, of course, he will fail you. Simply, because it is incorrect and dangerous grip as well. And also, while you are driving, okay, when you are already getting a license and you are driving you alone with your friends and you are holding the steering wheel just for joking, this way of course it will be dangerous for the driver safety. So the correct way, guys, when you to hold your steering wheel is like this. This is the correct holding the steering wheel. It's like 9 to 3, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. While you're driving, practice, and exam, or you are driving, through the signals. So the correct way is like this: 9 to 3, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Okay, my good friends. So, and don't put your hand too high, and don't put your hands too low. This is wrong, and this is dangerous. The examiner will fail you direct. All right. So don't put your hands too low and too high. And also, we should avoid putting our hands, inside the steering wheel. Why? Because it comes with the enormous risk. So the correct way, 9 to 3, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. This is the correct way and safety way. While you are in practice or you are in the exam, this is the correct way. Okay, guys, keep practicing always. Inshallah, you will be better, and you can see your skills getting more and better. Good luck, guys, for your exam and for your practice. And thank you for watching. Thank you.